Hello, random YouTube people. Before we get started, click like and subscribe. So you're here because this video said that I got 900 subscribers in about 9 months' time. So I'm going to show you what I've done to my page in order to accomplish that. Now, it's not the fastest growing page, but I'll show you the steps that I took to improve my channel so that I could get more subscribers. So one of the first things that I did was start to ask people to subscribe. In my videos, classically, I would always say at the end, if you didn't like my video, go ahead and make your own video. But I began to start asking for them to subscribe, just like, hey, subscribe if you wouldn't mind, or click like and subscribe, just like I did at the beginning of this video. So there's some things there just to start asking for people to subscribe. And that has really actually very much helped my subscriptions go up. In addition to asking people to subscribe, you can utilize your social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to share the word about your YouTube channel. You can see I have a post here from April 25th, 2021, saying that I have 88 subscribers and I still need 912 more before I can collect from YouTube on some monetization. So share, get as many people to know about your channel and create as many videos as you can. The more videos, the more views, the more searches found, the more subscribers that you'll get. So here's some more tricks that I've done to my channel to improve my likes and subscribes on my YouTube videos. One thing that I did to improve the professionalism of my videos is create what's called a split screen. And now you can create these as a kind of a transition between an intro to your video, then you cut to kind of like a credits page, and then your video continues. So that's called a split screen. Now I have a background in multimedia and things, so I know how to use programs like Adobe and things like those, like Camtasia. But it's so much easier, I found, to just go to a free service. The one I use is called Placeit, and it allows you to create a professional transition split screen without having to have any knowledge of any multimedia products. So let's go show you how I did that. Here we are on placeit.net. They have ability to create mockups, apparel, print items. What we want is video. And we're gonna go to intros and slideshows and click on intros and outros. So here you can pick from a variety of templates that are already pre-made for your intro. This one looks interesting. So you can hover over it and it'll give you a little preview of what it's going to look like. So I already made a logo for my page, and so I wanted to utilize that in my video. So you kind of just scroll down and find one that you like, that fits your style and your color scheme if they have one. Let's just go for something simple like this one here. So when you click on that, it takes us to the video editor page. Once that page is loaded, we just enter in a message, perhaps. I'm just going to say DIY Bry. You can change the font and the color, and then you can upload your logo by clicking Upload Image. So I'm going to go find my logo that I have previously created, and it allows you to crop it. That looks good for me for this video. And I say crop, and there we go. Now it's cropping and it's loading and it's going to give you a preview. And let's go watch what that preview looks like. I'm going to click this play slides. And there we go. So you can download the video. You can also create an account for that Placeit, and you'll be able to remove that Placeit logo. But you can change the transition speed and all sorts of things. So that's a simple way you can create a split screen for free online with placeit.net. Now I'm not being sponsored by placeit.net, it's just a tool that I use to make my intro. Let's see what my intro looks like again. So here is my YouTube. At the time of recording, I have 900 subscribers. Hopefully you watching will subscribe to my channel and help me get up to 1,000 or more. So you can see that on my page, I've got a banner image. I have the subscribe to my channel link here. I have my intro video, which when it's done playing, as you enter in my homepage for the first time. It also asks the user to subscribe. So all of these things are in an effort to get people to subscribe to the channel. So let's go show you how I did that. So let's start with this banner image here and the subscribe to DIY button. So the first thing we're going to do is click on this customize channel button. And for a lot of the branding of the channel, you'll of course be in this branding tab right here. So let's go ahead and click on branding. And you can see there's the picture, which is your main logo area right here. You've got the banner image, which we just saw, and it gives you some specifications on the size of the banner. And you also have video watermarks, which play during your videos. So this little icon will pop up during your video, and when you click on that icon, it'll prompt the user to subscribe when they click on it. And you can change the start time of the video, and that logo, of course, pulls off of your main profile picture here. And so this is a really good, nice, professional-looking addition to your videos here, is to turn on this video watermark. So concerning the banner, we have to make it such that it will fit on a computer screen, laptop, mobile. You can see as I go back to the my channel page and I shrink this in width, it will change, and trying to get that DIY Bry part of the logo to always stay in the center. And that comes down to the design of your banner. So back to the customization page here. You'll be able to just change and remove and upload the image here, but the image itself we need to create. So I found through my searching on Google a little template, and you can screenshot this as well. It just gives you, if this is what it's going to look like here on a TV size, that's your resolution. Here's what it's going to be on the desktop, mobile, and you see how the logo here sits dead center. So I've used this in Photoshop if you have access to such tools. You can use that as a layout in the background, and I've kind of have my little horizontal dividers here to show me where this is. So this bigger screen is what it's going to look like when it's on a TV. We get down to mobile, and you can see the logo is centered here in the middle. And so you would create your image, and then you would upload that to your YouTube channel. So here's the template again, just so you can see that. You can take a screenshot of that. And let's go on. Back on the branding tab, we're going to now click on the basic info tab. So this, of course, you'll want your site to have a description. You can be as detailed as you like, give some kind of idea of what your channel is all about. You have a channel URL, which is what you would share with people. Maybe you're making a Facebook post and you have a link to it. You can also make a custom URL, which is a lot easier to type into, and you can see mine is /C. I'm assuming that means custom. And then I have my page DIY-Bry, so that's a lot easier to type into the browser. So you can change and add your own custom URL here. As you scroll down, we have more options. One is links. Now this is on what I added here. You can add multiple links, but I clicked add link and selected link title. And the title of my link is subscribe to DIY-Bry, and here is the link. And so it's my custom URL, but I also have this $!sub_confirmation=1. And that's what creates this button on your banner right here. So you can, I told it to say subscribe to DIY-Bry, and when you click on it, as you can see, it's going to open up a new window. And it's because of that little request there in the URL. Sorry, my video is playing here. But that little request $!sub_confirmation, will show this little pop-up as well. So if I go and add this to the URL, $!confirmation1, it's going to reload this page, and it's going to pop up this confirmation message on your window for the browser or the user. So the user can, of course, decide to subscribe at that point or click cancel. Hopefully they click subscribe. Now as we come back to channel customization, I'm going to come to the layout tab, and here you can decide, here's my little intro page that I put on my channel. It's a little channel trailer for those who haven't subscribed yet, and you saw when the video is ended, it'll have that little subscription button. You can have what featured videos that you want. This is one I have a lot of views on, and it also helps with my Amazon affiliate program with the links in here. So I have that featured on my YouTube channel. So then you can also have different sections. You can add sections. On mine, I have uploads, which is my most recent videos. Then I have popular uploads, which take the most views first. And then I have some shorts in there. So you can add multiple sections here. You can have live videos, past live streams, playlists, subscriptions, featured channels. I've decided to do uploads, popular videos, and short videos. Now, how do I customize some of the videos to add more content, more clickable links? We're going to come to the content section and actually go to the videos. I'm going to go and filter by most viewed. My most viewed right now is almost 110,000 on my video about installing can lights or recessed lighting in a room where you don't have attic access. So one of the things, of course, is you need to create a video that will have people that desire to view it. You can search for a topic when you're in YouTube and see what videos are there. And if there aren't a video, then you might create a video for that purpose so that you can get the views from people trying to search for that topic. So when we're on a video, you can click on this little details button to edit the actual video itself. So in here, you have a lot of options. Of course, you'll want your description and title and everything like that. But one of the things that we want to talk about is the end screen. So at the very end of your video, you can have your logo pop up again for subscription, and you can even have suggested videos from your own channel. So you can click on this end screen link. In this particular one, it pops up the little editor. Here's my video. You can see this little end screen is this top section. But this is the last 20 seconds or so of the video. So do you want to this little subscribe DIY Bry logo part to show up for that whole 20 seconds of the video? And then here's a link to the best for viewers video. It's just going to YouTube's going to figure out what it thinks is the best video of yours to show to the user at the end. You can even choose a specific video. Maybe you wanted the most recently uploaded video, and that's what shows up in this box right here at the very end of your video. So again, this is another way for subscribers to see and interact with your channel and hopefully get you some more subscribers by adding this kind of content to the end of your videos. So the next and important part of your videos is the thumbnail of your video. You need something to be eye-catching, kind of describe what this video is, something that you think a user's going to see and want to click on. You can see once I got to 100,000 subscribers, I changed my thumbnail to include this 100,000 plus subscriber views link. And I've gotten almost 10,000 additional views in the last 13 days since I changed that thumbnail to say 100,000 plus views on my thumbnail. So of course, you use programs like, let's say, Photoshop. You can use other ones online for free, even go back to that place it and create thumbnails as well. But you need something that you think will be engaging to the end user and want them to click on this video. So those are just some of the ways that I've improved my YouTube channel to increase subscriptions. So hopefully this helps you get more subscriptions. If you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel to get me more subscribers, that would be awesome. This is what this video is for, is to try to increase subscribers for me, try to help you increase subscribers for your channel. So hopefully you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.